Hi everyone, I'm Eddie and this is E&S Computers. Right, so today we've got it's a Lenovo V110, and what we're going to do is we're going to be changing the hard drive over to a SSD, and we'll be using the it's an ADATA SU630 that we'll be fitting, and I'll show you the reason why. So it's running really slowly, basically. Tried doing a reset before, which works for a time, and then it just runs really slowly. Hard drive disk usage is at 100%. Tried updating the drivers for it, everything. So I spoke to the customer and suggested a fitting an SSD, and she's happy to go ahead with that. Right, so that has taken 7 minutes 20 seconds for the icons on the taskbar to appear. And as you can see, I mean, it's got enough RAM in it. As I said, I've tried doing a factory reset and that, but it still hasn't sorted it. So right, I'm going to stop waffling and we're going to go ahead and image the drive, and then we'll come back and see how quicker it is after fitting the drive. I'm just going to quickly show you what drive it is that's installed. When it decides to open. Okay, I'm going to leave that for the minute. Right, so it's a WD, and this is set to GPT, so I can format it. So, right, so as you can see, it's a WD. If you was to search that number, it will tell you it's a standard mechanical drive. So, just going to go ahead and initialize GPT disk 1. And leave. Alright. Now, the reason why that is smaller than that is because the customer isn't using, she only uses it really to browse the internet and that. So as you can see, 842. So there's plenty of room there. So we'll just shrink the partition. Right, so that has been 11 minutes, so I'm just going to shut this down now and image it, and then we'll come back when we've swapped the drives and that, and you can compare the boot time. See you soon. Right, so that's all the screws out, and now we're going to pop the bottom off. These ones are pretty easy to do, famous last words. Take that out and just pop that up there. Then it's just get the spudger in and boom boom boom, and that's it off. Right, so here's the hard drive there. So we're just going to remove that there. And then you've got this on there. Right, so you've got a little clip here with a ribbon cable going in, and that is stuck down to the hard drive casing. So you could actually just pop that off there as well, and then that's held down. Drive is held in place here with the connector. So we're just going to slide that forward. And then now it's going to take the drive out and fit the SSD. Four simple screws around each side. Actually, probably didn't need to undo that. I thought it was might have been a clip there, like sometimes it is. Right, that's there. And now we've got to make sure we get the orientation right. So with this one, it's there, and just fold that round again, and then pop the four screws back. So that is now in there and slid back into position. And we can reconnect that. That is the audio port, like headphones or microphone. And then pop the securing screw back in. And job done. Right, so I just get the bottom on now, and then we'll boot up. Right, okay, so we've imaged the drive, and now we're just going to boot it up. Now, if you remember, it took quite a long time last time. So here we go. So this is the first boot up after fitting the drive and it being powered up, and there we have it. So it's yeah, it's pretty quick actually. It's not 9 minutes or so like it was. And there we go, all the icons are now on the bar. So that's taken about just over a minute. So now that's it. So all we've got to do now is I'll give it a trim in optimization and defrag, and a bit of a clean up, and then she's ready to go back to the customer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and keep a lookout for some more videos. Hopefully I'm going to have one coming shortly that is changing the battery on a MacBook. Yeah. Okay, take care. Be kind to each other. Bye.